Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is quadrilateral, and in that class we discuss about some important concept related to quadrilateral. We discuss about some important we discuss about the angle sum property of the quadrilateral, and we take and solve some important questions based on that topics. Now in today's class we take and solve some important questions related to the chapter quadrilateral, which is very important for you. So let's see some important question. And your question is in a quadrilateral ABCD, in a quadrilateral ABCD, AO and BO, AO and BO are the bisectors of are are the bisectors of angle A and angle B, angle A and angle B respectively. Prove that angle AOB is equal to half of angle C plus angle D. Okay, this is the question. This is very important question related to the topic quadrilateral. Okay, your question is in a quadrilateral ABCD, AO and BO are the bisectors of angle A as well as angle B respectively. Prove that angle AOB is equal to half of angle C plus angle D. This is a very important questions related to that topic. Now let's see its solution. First of all, dear students, we draw our quadrilateral ABCD. Let's see. So let's see. Let us consider ABCD is a quadrilateral. Okay. So let us consider ABCD is a quadrilateral. Okay. In which AO and BO are bisectors of angle A and angle B. Prove that angle AOB. Okay. Let's see. In which AO and BO are the bisectors of angle A and angle B respectively. Okay, angle A and angle B respectively. Now let us take angle OAB as angle 1 and angle OBA as angle 2. Okay, we take it angle OA. So from figure it is clear that angle 1 is equal to half of angle A and angle 2 is equal to half of angle B, because of AO and BO are the bisectors of angle A. So that angle 1 though, that is also equal to angle 1, because of that line split the angle A in two equal part. Similarly, that angle 2, so this is also angle 2. So angle 2 is equal to, we can write half of angle B, and angle 1 is equal to half of angle 2 by the concept of bisectors, because of AO and BO are the bisectors of the angle A and B respectively. Now we take triangle AOB. Now in triangle AOB we use the angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangle. We use angle sum property of triangle. So let's, the sum of all angle, interior angle of a triangle is 180. So we get angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle AOB is equal to what? 180 degree. So from there we have angle AOB is equal to 180. We transfer angle 1 and angle 2 that side, minus angle 1 plus angle 2, and we write angle 1 as what? A by 2. So here we can write also angle AOB, because of we have to show that angle AOB is equal to that na. So we here we write angle AOB is equal to 180 minus angle 1 is equal to half of angle A by 2, and angle 2 is equal to half of angle B by 2. Now we take 2 as common from the, to take the LCM from their denominator. So we have angle AOB is equal to 180 minus 1 upon 2 of angle A plus angle B. Take equation number first. Take equation number first. Okay. Now clear everyone? Now let's see once more time. First of all, we draw a quadrilateral, and here AO and BO are the bisectors of angle A and angle B respectively. So in this way, now we take angle 1 and angle 2. So angle 1 is equal to half of angle A by 2, and angle 2 is equal to half of angle B by 2. Okay. Now after that, we take the triangle AOB and we apply the angle sum property of the triangle. So according to that, the sum of all interior angle of a triangle is 180. So from there we find the value of angle AOB. So with the value of angle AOB is equal to 180 minus angle 1 plus angle 2. So now here we put the value of angle 1 is equal to angle A by 2, and the value of angle 2 is what? Angle B by 2. Okay. Now here we take LCM as 2. So we get angle A plus angle B. Okay, dear students? Yes. Now what I do? So 180 minus half of angle A plus angle B. Now from there we take equation 1. Now let's see. Now in quadrilateral ABCD we use the angle sum property of the quadrilateral. You know that the sum of all interior angle of a quadrilateral is what? 360. In quadrilateral ABCD we have sum of all angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to what? 360 degree. So from there we find the value of angle A plus angle B is equal to what? This is 360 minus 360 minus what? Angle C plus angle D. We take equation 2. Now using equation 1 and 2. Okay, now 1 and 2 we get. Now using equation 1 and 2, we get what we get. Let's see, we get as we put the value of angle A plus angle B in equation 1. So we get angle AOB is equal to 180 minus half of the value of this is this. So 360 minus angle C plus angle D. Now we break the brackets, so we get 180 minus, we multiply 1 by 2 into 360, and in this, so 1 by 2 into 360 minus minus plus 1 by 2 of angle C plus angle D. Now here this is 180. Okay, so we get 180 minus 180 plus half of angle C plus angle D. How? Let's see, 180 this and 180 cancel to each other, so we have angle AOB is equal to what? Half of angle C plus angle D. Hence proved. And proved our result. Okay, so dear student, this is the method to solve that type of questions. So please dear student, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, now and the next topic of your chapter is what the types of quadrilateral. You know that dear student very well, types of quadrilaterals. And in types of quadrilaterals, you know that there are different types of quadrilaterals are there. You know that trapezium, a rectangle, a square, rhombus, parallelogram, etc. So these are some important parallelograms which are included in your chapter. So dear friend, so you know that each and everyone, you know that trapezium is a types of quadrilateral in which the two pair of opposite sides are parallel and two non-parallel sides in this way. You know, this is the form of trapezium. Rectangle, you know that rectangle is also the types of quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal and each angle is what, 90 degree. You know that square is what? Square is a types of quadrilateral in which all of its sides are equal to each other, diagonals are also equal, and each angle is equal to what, 90 degree. This is the concept of square. Rhombus is, you know that the rhombus is a special types of quadrilateral in which all of its sides are equal to each other, but in rhombus opposite sides are parallel and diagonals of the rhombus bisects each other at right angle. In rhombus, all of its sides equal, but the diagonal of the rhombus bisects each other at right angle, means 90 degree. And parallelogram, you know that in parallelogram is also the types of quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel and equal to each other. Means if ABCD is a parallelogram, then AB parallel to CD and BC parallel to DA. If opposite sides of any quadrilateral are parallel to each other, then it is said to be parallelogram. Okay, so these are some important types of parallelogram which are discussed in that class, in that chapter. Now in next class we discuss about all the important theorem related to parallelogram and some other important types of quadrilateral. Now first we take and solve some important question based on the angle sum property of the quadrilateral. Let's see. Now we take some important question, and the question is the angle of a quadrilateral are respectively the angle of a quadrilateral the angle of a quadrilateral are respectively 100 degree, 98 degree, 92 degree. Find the fourth angle. Find the fourth angle. This is a very important question related to the topic quadrilateral. Let's see its solution. This one, let the four angles are, let angle A is equal to 100 degree, angle B is equal to 98 degree, okay, angle C is equal to 92 degree, and angle D is, we find that since by angle sum property of the quadrilateral, since we know that in any quadrilateral the sum of all angles means angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is what? 360 degree. The sum of all angles of the quadrilateral is what? 360 degree. Now we putting the value of A, B and C. So we get 100 plus 98 plus 92 plus 360. So we get as what? 198, 198. This is 198 plus 92 plus angle D is equal to 360. So from there we write as 290. This is 290 plus angle D is equal to 360. So the value of angle D is 360 minus 290. 360 minus 290. So we get what? Let's see. 360 and minus 290. 70. So that is equal to 70. Thus, in this way, the fourth angle is what? 70 degree. Okay. So in this way, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on angle sum property of the triangle. Now we take and solve some important question based on these topics. Let's see. And the question is, in a quadrilateral ABCD, the angles ABC and D, the angles A, B, C and D are in the ratio 1:2:3:4. Find the measure of each angles of the quadrilateral. Find the measure of each angles of the quadrilateral. Okay, now let's see its solution. So here this is the very important question. Here a quadrilateral ABCD and the angles A, B, C and D are in the ratio 1:2:3:4. Find the measure of each angles of the quadrilateral. So let's see. So first of all, let the angles are angle B, angle C and angle D respectively. Angles D respectively. Now that is angle A ratio angle B ratio angle C is 2, 3 and angle 4. Okay, now let angle A is equal to 1x, angle B is equal to what, 2x, angle C is equal to 3x and angle D is equal to 4x respectively. Okay, this is the method to solving that type of question. Now we apply the angle sum property. Since we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to what, 360 degree. Now we putting the value of A, B, C and D. So we get x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 360. So we get as 10x. 4, 3, 7, 2, 9, 1, 10x. 10x is equal to 360, 0, 0 cancel to each other. So the value of x is what, 60, 36. So in this way we find the value of x. Now what I do, thus in this way the required angles are, thus the required angles are, angle A is what, x, angle A is x, so the value of x is what, 36 degree. This is first answer. Angle B is what, 2x, 2 into 36 means 72 degree. Okay, angle C is what, 3x means 3 into 36, 108 degree, and angle D is what, 4x means 4 into 36, 144 degree. So in this way we find all 4 angles of the quadrilateral. So please dear student, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, so please dear student, do more and more practices of that type of question. Now we take and solve some important questions related to the quadrilateral, and your question is, the side BA and DC, the side BA and DC of a quadrilateral ABCD are produced as shown in figure. Prove that A plus B is equal to x plus 5, and your figure is, this is AB and CD. CD is produced DC and BA, and BA is produced. Okay, and this is B, this is angle A, and this is diagonal, this is whole angle X, angle B, and that angle part Y. Now this is Y whole angle. This is the question here. Now let's see its solution. So first of all, we take triangle ABD. Okay, first in triangle ABD, we apply the exterior angle property. In that triangle, here B is what? Exterior angle. So exterior angle, this is angle B is equal to angle ABD, plus angle ADB. Take equation number 1. Okay, and now in triangle BCD, exterior angle A is equal to sum of is two opposite interior angle, means angle CBD plus angle CDB. Take equation number 2. Means in both the triangles we apply the exterior angle property. Now what I do? Now we adding equation 1 and 2. Let's see. Now adding equation 1 and 2, we get, let's see, angle A plus angle B is equal to angle ABD plus angle ADB, okay, plus angle CBD plus angle CDE. Now look, dear friends, so A plus B is equal to, now look, angle ABD and angle CBD. So CBD or ABD take together, because of from figure angle ABD and angle CBD is equal to angle X. Okay, so we take these angle together. So angle ABD plus angle CBD take together, plus now look, angle ADB and angle CDB, the sum of these two angle is equal to angle Y. We take these angle together, ADB plus angle CDB take together. Now thus from figure, A plus B is equal to, the sum of these angle is what? X. The sum of these angle is equal to Y. So A plus B is equal to X plus Y. Hence prove that result. Okay, so dear students, this is the method to solve that type of question. So please, dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions and complete your NCERT exercise. Okay, so these are the very important question. First of all, we take triangle ABD and we apply, in that triangle we apply the exterior angle property. Similarly, we take triangle BCD and again we apply the exterior angle property, and you know that the exterior angle is equal to sum of its two opposite interior angle. So according to that, we form two equations and we adding them, we get our results. So thus, dear students, in this way you can solve each. First of all, you revise all the questions and complete your NCERT exercise based on the quadrilateral. Now in next class we take and solve some other important questions related